Number 6. Banaue. Tucked away in the northern Philippines, Banaue is famous for its stunning rice terraces, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These magnificent terraces, which date back over 2,000 years, are a testament to the ingenuity of the Ifugao people who carved them into the rugged mountainsides. Visitors can explore the terraces on foot, marveling at the intricate irrigation system that feeds the rice fields. The lush greenery, fresh air, and serene atmosphere make Banaue a perfect place to unwind and appreciate the beauty of nature. Number 5.